Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off Show App Icon in Keyboard Preferences option in Realme 14x phone. So first, settings. Next in settings we are looking for System and Update menu. Next we need to go to Keyboard and Input method. Then Manage Keyboards. Then our Gboard option at the top. And here we have our preferences. So when we type preferences, next we need to scroll all the way down, and here is our show app icon option. So display application icon in the launcher. So we can enable or disable this option using this switch right here. It's a simple on-off switch. There are no other options or hidden menus there. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.